Naliwalas na. Katawid sila ka-Kristo. Adik yung naumuma, yung al-alawi, yung ang ilila kay Victor. Sandi ka lang nagsasakit. Salamat. There's no other words. We felt your love to Victor. And I know that Victor loves you and nalinayin at nalayag natin na kayo. It's Sunday, every party, ayagan mo si Mami niyo, ang Ali, party punta kayo. So, Victor's a child person, a loving person, faithful, devoted person. So you know him. And thank you so much. Alam saksakin or sinibiyag siya, you share a lot of time with them. And thank you so much. Umalis, hopefully, by Friday, September 12, yung in-flight, wala yung reservation na to the Emirates, American Airlines, Emirates, and then to the Philippines. Yung adal ng rota na, from here to Florida, from here to Florida, Florida to JFK in New York, and New York to Dubai, and Dubai to the Philippines. So, surutan mo siya, aga-aga yun, and then they have a long leeway from here to Florida, and Florida to JFK, 12 hours leeway. So what we're gonna do is just to follow, and then we'll just wait for him in Clark. So in Clark siya ay non-arrival. So we'll just again cross our fingers, one more paperwork, and hopefully agad na dili-dili ng flight. So that's the plan for the goal right now para kay Victor. And everything, salamat Unay, Iswakas, there will be the Holy Mass that we're gonna do, and then that will be after that we go to the we go to the house and have the reception there. So everybody please come back tomorrow for the final of Victor with the Holy Mass. And thank you so much. Pinta kayo ay naku. Captain Miss Georgina, and maybe manisuna before na may nabisita kay Victor, and then she came back again for this funeral. And wala si Alma and Roger, siya ng kasinsin. Roger, can you stand up please? Roger Yusad, siya ng first cousin or second cousin Victor. Kay inkabsak ng, in first cousin ng si Mother na, and Mother Victor, si Mother Galen. Okay? And with wife Alma, Managitapiman all the way from Jacksonville. Salamat. And kanta kayo ang I made it from out of state, yeah. And then kanta kayo na po in the Dallas, na po in the San Antonio. Nung imali lang ng apagbigat, they have to go back home. They are by Rabio. And of course, our dearest cousin, Father Andrew Gonzalo, who came all the way from Washington, D.C. to come and see Victor. So, wala ka ng tapo ay great service that he's going to do it right now. And thank you also, Manbooks, and thank you for all the service that you have given to Victor. Thank you so much.
Ah,